I don't think for nothing, no. I don't think anybody saw.
Hello guys, welcome to James Media Concert. For this is the first time of coming across my channel, you can show guys some love by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell. Well, this particular man here happens to be a welder, and unfortunately for him, some thieves, some criminals, some thugs were able to break into his shop and carted away with some of his welding equipment that's actually cost thousands of naira. And this young man has actually been in tears, lamenting bitterly. And this is actually bad. This is actually very bad. And this is moments where we have theft to be on the rise to the level of poverty and economic instability in the country. Well, I'll leave you guys to actually watch the video and see for yourself. Thank you.
What y'all do people now? What y'all do people now? I don't know now. I don't know now. I don't think for nothing, no. I don't think anybody something, no. Anyway, when I want to go swim, when I go swim, I'm not a thief, small store when I'm managed to the work, when I don't go bust this store, I carry my engine take. When I don't go bust this store, I carry my engine take. See, carry people engine join now. Wait till I do on that, wait till I do on that, wait till I do on that. Wait till I do on that. Guys, I beg, I don't go fit talk this thing. I don't reach my store this morning now. They don't go put my door, carry my engine take. If you carry people engine join up for my store, see my store now, see my store. Wait till I do people now, wait till I do people now. Small